The Skills section of the Open Qualifications website includes a section on employability skills, where we have embedded an interactive employability skills review tool. This short video will provide a brief introduction to the tool, but there is also a recording of a Student Hub Live video available on the website, which describes the tool in further detail. This review tool was developed by the Open Programme team to help students studying across different subject areas reflect on their current skills and identify where some skills may need further development. The tool requires students to consider a number of different statements to identify their overall level of competence against 7 different skill categories. It is currently being updated to reflect the university's new employability framework and will be updated in due course. The Employability Skills Review link explains the activity and takes students through a series of steps, starting with an introduction that encourages students to revisit this activity throughout their studies to enable them to review and track their progress with regard to skills development. The Assessing Your Skills section explains the criteria against which a student should rate their skills. Clicking on the image then opens the interactive tool itself. Each section expands to reveal a series of 10 statements against which a student can rate their level of competence on a scale of 1 to 5. The student works through each of the statements in turn, or they can leave some of the questions blank if they prefer to come back and answer those questions at a later date. By collapsing all of the individual sections, a student can then see which areas they may need to develop further. These answers are automatically saved by the tool so that the student can revisit the website and update their responses at any time to review their progress. Having used the tool, the Pause for Thought section provides students with an opportunity to reflect on their current skills and record their thoughts, which again are saved to enable students to revisit and update these notes at any time. The Developing Your Skills section provides links to further information on each of the 7 employability skills. It also signposts students to a range of resources to help them develop in a particular skills area. These sections also include a potential interview question to help students think about how they might describe a particular aspect of that skill to a potential employer. The resources suggested for each skill area include Open Learn courses, library resources, external links, and webinars produced by the OU Careers and Employability Services team. The Evidencing Your Skills section goes into further detail about how a student might demonstrate their strengths in that particular area. As well as providing some examples, this page directs students to information about the STAR technique provided on the OU Careers website, which helps students structure their evidence according to a relevant situation, task, action, and result. Finally, the Next Steps section provides further suggestions of resources to help students develop their skills. These include links to relevant badged open courses on OpenLearn and resources available on the Careers and Employability pages of Student Home.